morning, everybody. This is Daryl with the Falcon 64 project. Today I have a powder coating video for you. Actually, I'm gonna go back in history a little bit and show you a video of me cleaning up the third member and the yoke and the front carrier, but the pinion carrier. But I cleaned it all up and I just heated it up to 400 degrees and let it sit there for 10 minutes, off gassed it, and this is where we're at right now. Sorry for the noise, I got the fans going. I'm getting ready to spray it. I am going to hit it with a little air first to, I see I got some debris on that, but then I'm going to hit it with the Misty Burgundy as soon as I blow all that off. This is what happens when you let it get a little too close to the burner. Those little plugs caught on fire. Had to move it down. Anyways, I'm going to blow all that off real quick, and then I'll get to shooting. I'll bring you back then. Alright everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick update. After I cleaned some stuff up, first off I wanted to just show you I came through here with my grinder and kind of cleaned up some of those edges. Actually, that one could be a little bit better. I actually ground this down just so maybe to create some more clearance. I've seen where people have had some issues once they start going with the taller gears. I'll know better once I get the gear and the pinion back together. Just hit that with a wire brush, real lightly, cleaned it up. Same with the top, and then cleaned up some of the dirty spots that I could reach with the wire brush. But you know, once I get the tape on here and on the face of that and get it into the blast cabinet, I'm just going to do a real light blast around here, getting all this debris out and getting most of the paint off, just trying to get it cleaned up and ready for powder coating. Just wanted to give you a quick little heads up what was going on, and I'll bring you back once I get it all blasted. Alright everybody, I got it all blown off. The key with this is get all the debris removed. Obviously I didn't want any of that to fall down, but that was all from those catching on fire. So anyways, a little ash on it, I blew it off. Hopefully it all turned out just right. Alright everybody, got everything covered. Was able to carry it over without incident to the oven. Got it set at 400 degrees. So as soon as it gets up to temperature and flows, I'll start the timer for 10 minutes and bring y'all in so you can see that part of it. Today it seemed like the powder came out a little clumpy, and as you also saw that I made a mess probably by sitting there not having the filter on the bottom. Totally forgot about that, but probably behind there covered in dust. But anyways, so don't do that. It takes a little bit to clean it up. Anyways, oven is warming up. I'll bring you back when everything reaches temperature and starts flowing out, and we'll start the timer then. Please like and subscribe. You got any questions, please hit me up. Today I hot flux those. Like I said, I off-gassed them and I set them out here on the rack there, and probably about 10 minutes anyways, and they were still 150 when I shot them. So anyways, it seemed to the dust seemed to cover pretty quick and suck to it. So that's the first time I've done that. Anyways, we'll see how they turn out. As you can see, everything is liquefied. So we're starting the timer now. All right, everyone, I just got them out of the oven, and just wanted to give you a look, see how they turned out. Next, I'm gonna let them cool off, and then I'm gonna spray them with some clear. They're just underneath the car and rocks and everything else, and I just want to make sure that they're protected. So I'll show you that part. Again, I'm gonna let them get down to about 150, and then shoot them with clear, and we'll bake that. I want to say that's 375 for 10 minutes, and then we'll just let them out, let them air out. Be done with it. Oh, all right, everybody. I got the clear vision has just flowed, so I got the timer set for 10 minutes. Or, sorry, it's 18 minutes at 375. Alrighty, everyone. Just got the third member parts out. This is the clear vision on top of the Misty Burgundy. Just wanted to give you all a close-up. What's going on? I mean, it really does finish it off nicely. Boy, when you get these bigger pieces, it is a little bit more purple than burgundy, I think, which might offset it a little bit, since I'm trying to go back burgundy with mine, with the Falcon. This might actually offset it and make it look a little different. I don't know. Hopefully I like it when it's all done. Anyways, I appreciate y'all watching. Pretty impressive what you could do in your own home. I mean, it did take a little effort with the oven and of course my powder coating booth. Probably didn't need to go as extreme as I did on the booth, but anyways, I mean, definitely these parts would have fit in there, but it's nice to have it, and it keeps things clean as long as you keep the filter in when you're spraying. But thanks for watching. Please like and share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave at the bottom, and I'll catch you on the next one.